In 1990, Iraq invaded a small but oil-rich neighbor, Kuwait.
Worried that horrific television pictures of the slaughter would eventually stain the
The Bosnian War in the former Yugoslavia was the worst conflict in Europe since World War II.
Journalist Nadina Bronze is here.
We have a new, never-before-seen video recorded behind the scenes during the invasion of Iraq 20 years ago.
Georgia troops from Fort Benning and Fort Stewart were among those leading.
Ukraine is warily watching Russia's next military moves after Kremlin forces captured a key eastern town.
Abby, I've just gotten confirmation from a U.S. official that Israel has indeed struck Iran tonight. That what we are seeing, this.
A few minutes before 8 hour, the US Air Force fires the first shots of the war, launching 35 AGM-86 cruise missiles from the B-52.
Halo? Siap.